Hello, guys. Hello, hi, everyone. Greetings to everyone watching me. Yeah, it's a good day today. It's a Thursday. It's a Friday. I'm confusing. Yeah, it's a Friday. Today, I want to see if this Red Cross shop is opened because one day I came and I wanted to show you guys and it was not opened. So my name is Auntie Nduta. Auntie Nduta, to the new subscribers, welcome to this channel, and to my old subscribers, of course, guys, I'm so thankful to everything for your support. I need it, really. I truly need your support. And if you pass by this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, and welcome and welcome. Yeah, so I'm coming to this shop, and this shop does much help. uh, like if you are here and you overstayed, you're out of the system, or you don't have the residence permit, these are the guys you go to. These are the guys who can help you, because health wise and financial, most of the help, they help people, especially medication. Then they can take you to their hospitals, so you are not can have no help at all. So they do a lot to immigrants, which is good. So they also have shops all over. They have so many branches all over, and they help a lot. They contribute a lot to the society. And so this is the place. You can see it's Red Cross. It's Red Cross, written Svenska Röda Korset, means Swedish Red Cross, meaning Swedish Red Cross. So let's go and see what they have to offer inside. They usually have lots of things. These are their timings. These are the open times. So just go in. It seems thanked. Today is Friday. They open 12. Yeah, they open 12. And the time now, it's only 11. They open 12. So I think I just have to wait. And then tell her I'm not alone. There are many other people who have come. So let's wait. They open and we see what they have to offer. Then we can see what they have. Then I can show you what they sell inside there. Okay, guys, come along with me. Guys. Thank you. Hi, guys. Auntie Nduta here. The shop is open now. I had to wait 15 minutes to open. So like I said, this is the Red Cross. You can see their flag. Swedish Red Cross. And they have a car there also, Swedish Red Cross. So they help a lot to the commune. A lot. So let's go. What happens? So this is the entrance. As you come in here, so and you go in. Red Cross again. Yeah, Red Cross. So they have a lot of varieties of things. So that is Red Cross. They really help a lot. And it's a shop. Basically, it's a shop. It's a big shop. and we'll go to this like this. Like these ones, they're nice. This one's for flowers. You can buy one for flowers. There is more there, different colors. So you can see it's a lot of things. They have variety of things. Variety of things. I can't take so much. I don't want to be in trouble. And then also this ones, you see, they are very reasonable prices. They're so reasonable. They're not expensive. When you buy like this, like this one is 150, and in a shop it can be nearly 1,000. So second hand helps a lot. And the castros, the cooking pots. These ones are heavy. These ones are very heavy, especially this one. This one is nearly more than a kilo. This one is more than a kilo. It weighs more than a kilogram. So these things usually they are picked from people. Maybe they get tired of them, bring them. You see, they bring a lot of things, and even the glasses. You can see glasses at 5. This one's, all this section is for glasses. All this section is for glasses. All different types of glasses. You see, all different types of glasses. Can you get them here? Different glasses. You see, different type of glasses. Depends for what you want. Basically, it's for what you want. There are different type of glasses. Beautiful. When there's so much, they are like, this is all glass section. You see, this is all glass section. This is in the glass section. So only glass section. They used to have very good things there. Different type. You see, even teacups, sweet ones, like this. Oh yeah. Maybe this is Arabisc coffee. This is for Arabisc coffee. Small. Or maybe big places like Mombasa, where they sell coffee, or Arab countries. But here they don't sell with such small ones. They put in a big cup. But this is pretty small and sweet. Small and sweet. So that's how it is. And then you come to the department of books. Then you can see books here. You can see books. And then you come to the section of children. You can get clothes for kids. Things for kids. This is kids section. Only for kids. Small babies. So basically there are many. There are actually many. Then you can come here, section for shoes. And then clothes, clothes, chains there, clothes. You can get nice things like this one is size 40. This one is size 40. You can get everything you wish. You can get actually anything you want. This white one looks good. And that is linen actually. So I buy XXXL, 3Xs. This one's some are almost like new. Some of them are like new, but you know here things can last long because it's not dust. It's not dusty. It's not dusty. You know, the dust washing every day is what makes clothes become old. Look at that. This is nice. For people who like dresses, that's very nice. That is really nice for the summer. That is really nice for the summer. It is for young people. See, shoes. These are, you see, for skating. This is skating department. See here, shoes for skating. And this one, this must be for a very large person. This one, ooh, who can that be? It's so big. So this is basically the men's section and mixed with ladies. You see, some of them are just looking nice. Yeah, like that. You see, like that is so nice. For the coming summer. You see, it's cute. That's belts also. That's a casa. So at least this one soon people will not need all this and this because soon it's sunshine. Thank God. So at least you've seen a bit of how our Red Cross shop look like. So let's see you later. Hello guys. Hi everyone. This is Aunty Nduta. Welcome to my channel. I'm from Kenya, living in Sweden, and today is a very special day for me and my family. Yeah, how is everyone, by the way? I hope everyone is feeling good and safe and enjoying the life as it should. For me, everything is fine here, and like I said, it's a very special day for us as we're celebrating a birthday of our best friend, that is Krista Barryman, my very good friend for the last 24 years. So we are having his birthday. We're just having a lunch and then later proceed home and have dinner, a nice dinner in the evening. But for now it's lunchtime here in Sweden, and we just my son just surprised him for a lunch. He didn't know, so and I didn't want to tell him, so so we are here. Yeah, we are all excited. We were very excited to see his reaction. So we are here and we are waiting for our lunch. Then we can have a lunch together. Yeah, the weather here is fantastic. I have less clothes now, and I don't have so much like before. That is the only one, and a jacket, a lighter jacket. Before I could hardly walk because of too many things in the body, on your body. But now the weather is getting better. This is a nice restaurant. It's called Encore. I think it's the best in this area, Katrina Home. And so we are waiting for our lunch, and then we enjoy and later go and cut a cake at home for his birthday. So, and here I am with the boy, and I have also here my son, our son. Yeah, yes, yes, and I have my Coca-Cola here also. That's my Coke, and so this is the place we are. It's a very nice place, as you can see, beautiful. Sitting at the corner because we want to sing happy birthday to him. There's some friends who come. She hasn't turned up. I think maybe they'll come home. And yeah, Steve, are you enjoying yourself?
I'm enjoying, yes.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Yeah, you've gone down on weight.
Yeah,
How much kilo have you lost now?
10 kilos.
10 in 2 months.
Yeah.
Wow, I wish I could also.
Okay.
It will come. You're looking great, and your hair too
Yes,
is
thank
very nice.
Yes.
It's very, very nice. And
Gracias.
yeah,
Thank you very much.
welcome and waiting to shine summertime.
Yeah.
So this is the place we are. It's nice, very nice, and we are seated here. That is Mr. Barryman's drink, and that is my Coca-Cola. Did you know, guys, this bottle cola tastes better? My son always told me, and now I've read it is true. They taste much better. You're also taking a cola.
Yeah.
And what is this?
This is nicotine patches.
Nicotine patches.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. So here we are. Let's wait for our food, and then we see what we shall eat. Wait for our lunch. Like I said, we're having a lunch, and then we proceed home and make something else for Mr. Barryman. So let's see you. Then we'll show you what we are having. Bye. Thank you. Bon appetit.
Do you want salt and pepper?
Nej. Bara bearnaise.
Chicken and washing gaffel.
So guys, our lunch is here. Let's go deep and have a munch. Then we see you later. To the new guys, this is Auntie Nduta. And whoever could be passing by and find my channel, subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe my channel and give me support. You're most welcome. Support my channel. Give me support by subscribing and leave a comment down below. So we see you later. We see you later, guys. Bye. Hello guys. Hi everyone. Greetings from Sweden. Thank you so much for watching, coming back into my channel and watching. And for the new guys who have not come across this channel, my name is Auntie Nduta. I'm from Kenya, living in Sweden. You're most welcome to my channel. Welcome, and let's go this journey together. It's another day today. Late evening, late afternoon. Just felt like going to the nature. Sometimes it's necessary. So I'm just around the nature and just checking around and showing you around the trees, how they could be so beautiful that it is. You can see how they can be, how tall they can be. So how is everyone? I hope everyone is doing fine and safe and healthy, because that is the main thing. Welcome. Just taking a walk into the nature. Like I said, it's very important to go to the nature and you see how they line them up so nicely, the trees. Yeah, they look so good. So how is everyone? I'm fine. I'm doing fine. I'm doing quite well. So I want to take a walk. I want to take a nice walk, and yeah, it's good for everyone. Time to time, it's always good to go for a walk and have fresh air. It's important. So the nature looks like, that's how it is. They are very high up, but that's how they are. Quite high, quite tall. Do you say high or tall? Tall. Yeah, so that's how it looks like at the moment where I am. Feeling good. It's fresh air. It feels really good when you go out and have the fresh air. And I'm a little bit out. It's just a walk around. Just a walk around. And as you know, Sweden is it must be one of the 5 main countries in the world who produce a lot of wood. Scandinavia as a whole, they have a lot of wood, lot of trees everywhere. And now where I am also, there are farms. The farm, you see now, everything is beginning to be green. Everything is beginning to be green now. Everything on the farms is beginning to be very, very green. and with this, and as time goes by, everything will begin to grow to be bigger and bigger. So we see down there, you can see also far down there and there, everything is beginning now to have life again. Even if there will be snow, I don't think it will be too much. And again, the ground will be warmer, so it will not have any chance to hold on and stay for so long. No, it will just come melting because it's been warm all the time. All the time it's been warm, so I don't think there is any chance again to have much snow again. And as you can see, down all those forests, my big forests, it's trees everywhere, trees. So that's how it looks like. I'll be surprised sooner or later everywhere here will be green and nice. So this road usually heads to houses a little bit inside those sides of the farm. Yeah, hi guys, so that is it, and just taking an easy walk just to refreshen myself. Nothing important, nothing serious. And then sooner or later I'll start long walks, to cut down my weight, because since the accident I haven't been doing so much, so I put on more than 10 kilos, so I have to do a lot of walking. And during winter time you cannot do that due to the snow and getting injured when you slide, and it's not safe at all. So that is how it is. So you can see the horizon. Can you see it? Don't know. I can fix it. Taking a walk. Yesterday, was Krista's birthday. We had fun. So that's how it is here. That's how it's looking like, how it looks like. You can see. So to the new guys, welcome to this channel. Most welcome to this channel. Auntie Nduta. And to the old subscribers, thank you. Keep on watching. Soon it's good weather and people will be able to do many things outside and travel a little bit out, not only here around here. I can try to do some content, make some content outside and show you lots of different things, but at the moment we take it as it is. We take it as it is. So it's quiet Sunday. So the farms, still the farms. see from the far end that way. And those trees down. And there's a railway here, exactly here, going to Gothenburg and going to Stockholm, the capital city. One line is going to the capital city and one line is going a place called Gothenburg, the second largest city here. So you can take a train from here, and it doesn't take so long. It's about 4 hours to Gothenburg, where there's a port. The port is there, one of the ports, the main ports, seaport, I mean. So yeah, let's continue seeing what we can see.